Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Many of you have asked, and in my upcoming workshop, I'll be doing the Sumier in Gongbi, the meticulous painting or the contour painting. What we'll do is we'll actually work on a beautiful lotus pond with lotus flower, bulbs, seed pod, and leaves in different growing state, new leaf and also older ones. So I will show you a step-by-step of how to transfer a sketch into the rice paper. And by the way, when you are preparing for the class, make sure you have size rice paper, the one that has been treated, right? So I will show you the step-by-step of how to transfer from a sketch into a contour painting. And then from there, we will work on a ink-only underpainting. And I'll also show you various classic way of how to do it, including tarashikomi and various things such as, leading a kind of like a water line on various areas. And then from there, we will work on different washes of color. And because of time, what we'll do is we'll do a minimum of 2, but we'll see how far we can go. But then we'll develop it step by step on developing the green of the leaves, the faded color of the petals, and then also show you how to change from the washes into a refined painting that you have details. So in the upcoming workshop, a focus on flower painting, the Gongbi style, the meticulous style of painting lotus, which is a beautiful flower that we will discuss all these different steps of how to do different step-by-step and various technique in classic Gongbi flower painting. So I hope to see you in our next workshop. Thank you.